Now let's see an example of a tuple. Let's say I have a tuple which is a coordinate, and let's say the coordinates are somewhere around 12.435, 32.456. Now let's use a for loop here. For item in coordinate, print item. Let's see the output of this program. Let's execute our program, tuple processing, and here we can see that each element of the tuple we can read. So here we saw that we can process each of the tuple element and then print it. So this is how we can use tuple and use for loop to process a tuple. But we already know that tuples are nothing but the related data points or related data. So it could be a point in space like with the XYZ points, or it could be a lat long of a particular city. So now let's see an example where we will have a list of tuples and we will use for loop to process it. Here we created a related list of tuples. So each tuple is having a city name, latitude and longitude of that city. Now to process this list and read each and every element of this list, let's use for loop for city, lat, lng in cities, then print an f string which will have city is located at latitude and lng longitude. Now let's execute this program and see the output. Python tuple is processing, and here we can see that its city name and its respective latitude and longitude is printed. So this is how we can use a list of tuples, or we can process tuples which are enclosed within some other container. Here cities is going to return one item at a time. Since cities is a list, each item will be a tuple that is returned, and that tuple has three elements in it, namely city name, latitude and longitude of that city, and hence we gave three variables over here, namely city, lat and lng, which will have each of those values, and then we can use them in our for loop.